Hi guys, this is Ashok Singh and today I'm here to discuss about top 12 freelance website to make extra money from the comfort of your home. These are top 12 best freelance website so you can make money from home. If you want to work from home and make good money, this is an epic list of the website you need to get those freelance jobs. The freelance industry is becoming a major contributor to the world economy. With endless bill payment and rising inflation, it can be hard to survive with just your day job. Fortunately, the best freelance website can provide opportunities to make extra money on the side. Many people are even working full time on these platforms. The flexibility to make your own schedule makes such freelance portal very attractive. You can make money from home or even when traveling. As CNBC report, freelancers are now making more than 70% of the American workforce and Indian workforce. Simply put, you can not only earn on freelance website but can earn more than others. With the gigs economy continuously expanding, you may want to get a piece of the pie. According to a Gallup poll, 36% of Americans are part of the gigs economy, and 40% of those workers can earn most of their economy through gigs. Even freelancing has become pretty competitive, as indicated by the statistic above. Nevertheless, there are myriads of freelance websites to make money. It's not going to be super easy, but with the time and effort you can develop a steady income source. So here are the 12 top freelance websites through which you can go ahead and register yourself and start earning money. Number 12 is CrowdSpring. CrowdSpring is all about creative freelance jobs. It helps connect freelancers with entrepreneurs looking for creative ideas and solutions. They post projects and you can send creative project proposals. As a creative individual, you can build your portfolio while also making money on the side. With more and more designers working as a freelancer, this platform can be perfect for building your reputation and ultimately a full-time creative career. Some of the projects can be quite interesting and challenging. If you love a challenge, this is a place for you. Over 50,000 businesses across the globe are already using the service of freelancers on CrowdSpring. Therefore, there is a plenty of opportunities readily available. Number 11 is Guru. Guru boasts over 3 million freelancers and nearly a million employees. You can find all sorts of freelance jobs including web designing, finance, translations, transcriptions, legal consultations and graphic designing. It also focuses on regions. So if you want to focus on a certain market, you can. The dashboard of Guru is one of the most user-friendly. You can manage everything effortlessly and communications with client is quite direct and fast. The more skillful and seasoned you are, the bigger the project you can score. Number 10th is Next. Next is a freelance website that allows you to be more career focused. If you want to build a career out of your freelance service, you could use this platform to grow your expertise and build a network too. They categorize job by 4 different criteria: local focus, career focus, diversity focus, and global focus. This is more likely a job search platform, but you can find project, gigs, and remote employment opportunities. If you have been working as a freelancer already and looking for something steady, this could be right place to start. Number 9 is TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is a great gig website that has a local approach and even includes same-day service. What's different about TaskRabbit is that you don't necessarily need a technical skill set to join. It's a platform for people to make money doing simple tasks. You can join the platform to render service like fixing things around the house and installing furniture for client in your neighborhood and town. It's a simple and quick way to make some money on the side. With the focus of housework and chores, this platform is bringing differently skilled workers into the gig economy as well. Number 8 is Container. Container is exclusively a freelance platform for writers. What makes Container different from other freelance websites is that it offers not only gigs but also remote full-time jobs. So while working as a freelance writer, you could also land a full-time job working from home. In terms of volume, it has tons of gigs up for grabs. There is quite a lot of variety as well, so you can find something you are truly passionate about. From sports ebook to fashion columns, there is something for every niche of content creators. Number 7 is Servicescape. If you are a writer, translator or graphic designer, you could find quality work at Servicescape. This is one of the few freelance websites to make money where they cater a specific skill set. Usually, it's startups and small business that use this platform to hire freelancers. The website is easy to use and you can apply for many projects. Again, it's a global platform, so you would be competing with professionals from around the world. That said, you can build your profile over time and showcase your expertise. Number 6 is TopTal. TopTal boasts that they only have the top 3% of the freelancers in the world. This means that it's quite exclusive and getting in could be tough. However, that also means that the rate of freelancers on this platform are pretty high. TopTal is used by some of the biggest names in the world. You can work for companies like Shopify, Airbnb, and Bridgestone. If you have years of proven experience, you could successfully join this website and make really good money. They hire freelancers in the following categories: designing, development, project management, and product management. Number 5 is DesignCrowd. DesignCrowd is primarily a freelance website for designing projects. Freelance designers can send proposals for the design project posted by businesses. The project prices are fixed and payments go through smoothly. Since it's proposals based platform, you may not necessarily get accepted. That said, there are plenty of opportunity, so if you are passionate about design, DesignCrowd could be a good place to start freelancing your service. Projects usually have 3, 5 or 10 days deadline, so the outcome is pretty quick. You can do multiple projects in this time frame, increasing your chances of winning the bid. It's equally flexible and secure for buyers too. Number 4 is freelancer.com. Freelancer.com is based in Australia but works globally. On this platform, you can bid on projects that requires your skill set. This means you can have to be proactive in order to find jobs, which is better than waiting for buyers to reach you. With a diverse range of gigs, there is something for everyone. Software developing, content writing, graphic designing, and data entry remain some of the most frequent used skills. Those using the free version get a limited number of bid options per week. Number 3 is people per hour. Another of the best freelancers website is people per hour. It's quickly gaining popularity around the world as the freelancers working on the platform have grown to over 2 million. Based in the UK, the platform works on fixed price offer. As for the skills, there is a lot of demand for marketing development, film editing and writing skills. When you have millions of freelancers, competition tends to get stiff. You have to fill an application and get approved first. Number 2 is Fiverr. Fiverr is a great freelance marketplace that makes it easy for both buyers and sellers to work together. As a freelancer, you can publish completed projects to attract more buyers. This eliminates the need for potential buyers to ask for work samples. You can find many skill categories on Fiverr. You can create as many gigs as you like. However, it's best to stick to a niche within your skill set. It offers both direct deposit and PayPal transfer, so you get cash within a few days. You do not have to have any certifications or degrees to get started. Fiverr allows everyone to join and sell their services. But in the end, it's your skill that sells, so the more professional and experienced you get, the more money you can make. And number 1 is Upwork. Upwork is one of the pioneers when it comes to freelancing. Formerly called Elance, this platform is one of the most popular freelance websites around the world. With a fair and transparent recruitment process, Upwork is making freelancers much more empowered. As for the gigs, they cover a plethora of skills from graphic designing to editing. If you have a skill that you can sell on this platform, you could make some decent money and eventually do full-time. They also offer features like built-in invoice issuing and collaboration tools. It's a global platform, so businesses can find skilled workers from all around the world. That means there is a lot of competition. With this, I am completing this video. Hope you liked this video, and if so, please share, subscribe and press the bell button so that you will never miss our future videos. Thank you.